To fix the Roblox error code 403 error that occurs when trying to join a game, there are several steps you can take. First, if you've been hardware banned from Roblox, you'll need to log out of the banned account. To do this, open the Roblox app, select the three dots, and choose Log Out. Then, log in to a different account, such as an alt account, which should resolve the issue. If you're still experiencing the error, try uninstalling Roblox by searching for it in the Windows Start menu, right-clicking, and selecting Uninstall. If this doesn't work, go through the uninstallation process and then visit the Roblox website. If you were banned, be sure to sign in to an alt account, and then try to open a Roblox game. When prompted, download and install the Roblox launcher. And once it's installed, try opening a game again. In some cases, the issue may be related to your internet network. If you're connected to a VPN, try disconnecting from it. Then, go to the Windows Start menu, right-click, and select Network Connections. Open the Network Troubleshooter. Select all network adapters, and follow the prompts to complete the troubleshooting process. After this, try opening Roblox again to see if the error has been resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Roblox error code 403 error and get back to playing games.